से मस्ती कर रही है। जोर से
Okay, so in maths, we have already learned three things, right? If you remember, we have learned big, bigger, and biggest, small, smaller, and smallest, right? Today, we are going to learn again the pre-number concept. Right now, we are going with it. So, we are going to learn. Okay, tell me. Can anybody identify the difference between this? No? Okay.
I can.
Yes, tell me.
One is big, long, one short.
Yes. So it is long and
short.
short. Okay. So yes, yes, everyone correct. We are going to learn today about long and short. So if there is something which we have to measure it, okay? हमको जब कोई length we have to measure the length, so we will do this long and short. So we can know it whether it is long and short. So this is the line you can see. This is called long and this is short. Okay. So whenever we have to measure the length, we will do long and short. Okay, we will do long and short. Now, let's see some of the different objects. Okay, again. I have one again, the sketch pen is there. And there is one small pipe. Okay, so long and short. Okay,
मैम ये तो बिग और स्मॉल भी तो अच्छी है ना?
सॉरी क्या?
ये बिग और स्मॉल भी तो अच्छी है ना?
I am not getting you, बच्चा. Who's asking what? Now you can show me some. Big बच्चा हम big size में measure करते हैं. Listen to me, okay? Whenever we have to measure the size, right? We have to measure the size. कितना size में measure करना हो ना तो we will do big and small, okay? But we have to measure the length. जब भी हमको length measure करना होता है तो we will do long and short, okay? For example, अगर मैं बोलूँ snake, okay? Snakes, can you see there is a yes, Laksh? Yes, long and short, but always show me the object in a slipping way where we can measure the length. Okay? Yes, very good. Yes, Lakshya, very good. So long and short, even Kia, yes, Kia, I can see yours, bacha. Yours is also correct. Now everyone just let me finish and then you can show me the object. Okay, let me finish and then you can show me the object. First let ma'am finish. So again I'm telling you, whenever we have to measure the things, जब हमको size में measure करना होगा, then we will do big and small. But when we have to measure the length, हमको जब किसी की length measure करनी होगी, तो हम क्या देखेंगे? Long and short. Okay. For example, if I have to measure the size of this my pen, so I will see this. This is called the length. Okay. Whether it is big, small or medium size, so this is called the length. Okay, now got it? Whenever we have to measure the length, we have to see long and short. Now everyone, can you show me one object? You can show me one objects from long. Yes, I can see Nivan has shown a very good example. Okay, just you show me the object. सिर्फ आपको ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाना है, किसी को कुछ बोलना नहीं है. ओके, आई कैन सी नीवान ने बहुत अच्छा ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिखाया. बिग स्केल एंड अ स्मॉल स्केल, सो दैट इज लॉन्ग स्केल एंड अ स्मॉल स्केल. ओके, so long and short. Now Yanvi, what Yanvi is showing? Yanvi, show me your pencil. How you, which one is the long and the short? Okay, there is one long pencil and a short pencil. Even Lakshya is also showing me long and short. Vedika, yours also is correct. Long and short. Wow, Rida has bring a comb. So long comb and a short comb. Very good. Yes, Lakshya, correct one. Hate is also showing me. Hate is also showing me some objects long and short. Even Shlok is showing me. Very good. Nimai, yours is also correct. Shiven, yours is also correct. Wow, Thanak. Okay, now everyone mute your microphone. Just mute your microphone. Mute your microphone. I told you have to just show me the object. Nobody will unmute your microphone. Yes, Khanak, now you can show me. Khanak, see the object of a Khanak. That is very good one. Khanak, show the object.
Long running thing, short running thing.
Yes, so Khanak, show in a slipping way. Show in the slipping way. Ha, see, very good, Khanak. Yes, very good. Now, Arav, you have to show me your object. Paki, what object you have to show me? An object from long and short. Very good, Paki. Very good. So I can see the long pencil and a short eraser, I think. Very good. Danish is also showing me a pencil. I saw Kia's, yours also. So everyone, very good. Now let's watch a video.
Long and short.
Yes, long and short. So whenever we have to measure the length, so we will tell that long and short. Okay, long and short. Now I'm showing you a video
Long
where you
and
can
short.
identify. Yes, bacha.
मोटे चलाने
Just a minute, huh? It's audible and you can see it. Yes or no? Show me thumbs up.
No. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute.
Short object.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now it's
ma'am.
audible? Okay, fine. Okay.
Everyday object. Long and short object. Every day we see many things. Some of these things are long, while some are short. Some are long, some are short. Children, when we compare two objects based on their length, we say the object is long or short. Long or short. So children, let us now look at some examples of long and short objects. Long and short objects. So children, now tell me, what are these? These are pencils.
Pencils.
These are pencils. You write with the pencil? Yes. If we compare the length of these two pencils, we can see one is long and the another one is short. This pink pencil is long and the green pencil is short. So we can say this pencil is long and this pencil is short. Long, short. Long pencil, short pencil. Long pencil, short pencil. So children, this is our next example. So first tell me, what are these? These are scales. These are scales.
Scales.
So children, if we compare these two scales, we can see one is short and the another one is long. So this
Arav,
scale
pay
is
attention.
long and this scale is short. Long scale, short scale. Long, short. Long, short. Long scale, short scale. So now children tell me, what are these? Yes, you are correct. These are painting brushes. These are painting brushes. So children, can you see any difference between these two painting brushes? Yes, this painting brush is long and this painting brush is short. This painting brush is long and this painting brush is short. Long, short. Long, short.
Can we please mute your
So
microphone?
children, now tell me, what are these?
Wow, what is this?
These are caterpillars. These are caterpillars. Okay, children, now tell me, can you see any difference between these two caterpillars? Yes, this caterpillar is long and this caterpillar is short. This caterpillar is long. This caterpillar is short. Long caterpillar, short caterpillar. Long, short. Long, short. Now we will see the next example. So children, as you can see, there are two children, one boy and one girl. Can you identify whose hair is long and whose hair is short? You are correct. The girl has long hair, but the boy has short hair.
hair.
The girl's hair is longer than the boy's hair. Or you can say that the boy's hair is shorter than the girl's hair. Long hair, short hair. Long hair, short hair. So children, that's for today. Keep practicing. Bye.
Okay, so the last example was very good. So as you see, you even nobody has noticed that the boy's hair is very short, right? And the girl's hair is very long. So the girl's has a long hair and the boy's has a short hair. Okay, the girl's has a long hair and the boy's has a short hair. Now I'm going to ask you each and every one object and they will tell me about that object, whether they are long or short. Okay, I will ask to you one by one. So first I will ask to Arav. Arav, you will show me any of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
show me an object and tell me which object is long and which object is short. Arav, fast. Everyone keep your object ready and you will tell me by yourself. One by one I will ask.
Ma'am, long. Ma'am,
Yes, I'm
long and
listening.
short.
Which one is long? Which one is long? Okay. And which one is short?
This is long.
Huh?
This is small.
Small, don't say small. It is short. Okay. And what you have? What is this object called? What you will call to this object?
Spoon.
Yes. The letter S sound is there. Spoon. Okay? Spoon. Okay. Now very good. Now I will ask to Danish. Danish, you will tell me. Danish, ball is not included in the long and short. That will go in big. Big and small. You have to show me some other object. Danish. Danish, show me some other object. No, Danish, you have to show me some other object where you can measure the length. That will go in big and small.
ये दिखा दो बनाना.
Ma'am.
Okay, very good one. So, Danish, tell me which is the long one and which is the short one. Danish, you will tell me.
This is long. This is short.
Okay, and what you have the short one? What is the name of the short one object?
This banana.
Okay, that is a banana. You like banana?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Danish. Very good. Now I will ask to Heath. Heath, you will show me the object. Heath. Heath. Yes, Heath. You okay? What are you showing, Heath? Okay, remote. TV remote. Okay. So which one is long and which one is short, Heath?
Ma'am, ये वाला short और ये वाला long.
Okay, so the yes, Heath. Answer is correct and the object is also perfect. But whenever you have to say in English. You have to say this remote is long or this remote is a short. Okay, that is the way you will say. Very good. Now I will ask to Himay. Himay, you will answer. Himay, show me the object and tell me what is the object and what is long and short.
Ma'am,
Vedika, what happened?
long.
No, Vedika, wait for your turn. I will ask you. Wait for your turn. Yes, Himay. Okay, you want to say the bottle is long or short?
Bottle is long.
Okay, and what is short?
Pen is short.
Some different object you have to. Okay, bottle also we can include it in the long, but whenever we have to measure the length. Okay, so correct one. Very good, Himay. Now, Hriday, it's your turn. Hriday's turn is there. What is long and what is short? Okay, so you want to tell that the comb is short and the compass box is a long, right? Yes, Hriday?
Yes.
Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Now, Khanak, it's your turn. Again, Khanak has the same object. Yes, Khanak, you can tell me. Ha.
This is long learning thing. This is short learning thing.
Very good, Khanak. Now I will ask to Kia. Kia, it's your turn. Kia, show me. Very good.
And long history, short history.
Very good, Kia. Some different object. Very good.
Now,
Now, Laksh, you will tell me. Laksh.
small cloyani.
Laksh.
Orange cloyani.
Laksh, you have to say.
This is soft. This is long.
Oh my God, so different object you have choose. A sharpener and a eraser. Very good. So the eraser is long and the sharpener is short.
मैम
Okay.
मेरा तो नहीं आया.
Very good. Very good. Okay. And what about sharpener?
What are erasers? मैम मेरा तो नहीं आया.
Okay, Laksh. Very good. Good example. Shlok, you have to wait for your turn. Everybody will get a chance. Even Shri, you also mute your microphone. Okay, now Nivan, it's Nivan turn. Nivan, you have to show me the object and what is that? Describe me about it. Nivan. Yes.
I have two. One is long and other one is short.
Very good. So you have a pencil. Huh? One is longer and one is shorter. Okay, very good. Very good. Now, Paki, it's turn of Paki. Paki, you will tell me and show me the object Paki.
Long. Short and long.
Very good. Now, Prayag. Prayag will show me. Prayag. Everybody, the one who has finished, they have to keep the clay with you. Okay? You have to keep a clay with you. The one who has already finished their turn. Everybody, next activity we are going to do with the clay. So just keep the clay ready. Prayag will show me. Wait, Vedika, I will ask. Prayag, tell me the long and short. Show me the object. Don't have? Okay, fine. Now I will ask to Shiven. Shiven, you will show me. Shiven.
Long and short.
Okay, long and short crayon. Just keep the clay. Everybody has to keep the clay with you. That's it. Then Vedika, your turn. Vedika, you will tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
big,
Long and short. You have to say long and short.
biggest, bigger, big.
Okay, but we are learning the concept long and short. So you have to show me the object long and short, Vedika, not big and small.
Long and short.
Very good. Now you have done correct one. Very good. Now Shlok, it's your turn.
This is a long, this is a long, this is a short.
Very good. And what you have the object? What is the name of the object?
Comb.
Comb. Very good. Very good. Now Yanvi, your turn. Yanvi, you will tell me.
Then pencil
Huh? Long.
Pencil
long.
is? Yes. And
sketch pen is small.
Short.
short. Short. We are learning long and short. Okay, Yanvi. Good one. Now Shri, you are only the left one. Shri, show me. Shri, come on.
This is small. This is big.
No, not small and big. We are learning long and short. So you have to tell the brush is, for example, the spoon is long and this spoon is short. Okay, so this is the way you will tell. Now I told you to keep clay with you. What you have to do, you have to take the clay and you have to make a line, long line and a short line with the clay. You can make any object, anything with the long and the short. You have to show me the difference and you have to make right now. Come on, fast. Any of the clay you can take and you can make it long and short with the help of a clay. You can take any small part of the clay and you can make. You can roll, and you can show me the long and you can show me the short. Kanak, why your face is upset? Everybody has to do. Okay. Very good. Kia has already done. Okay, Kia, I got it. Yes. Very good, Kia. The long and the short. Very good. Very nice. Yes, Lakshya. Very good, Lakshya. Lakshya, very good. The long and the short, I can see. You can make long as much as big. Good one. Good.
Thank you.
Very good, Kanak. Very good. Long line and short line. Very good. Kanak, very good. Nivan, very good. I can see yours also lining. I can see yours. Yes, Nidhi. Yes, red color. I can see Yamri's long and short. Very good. Yes, Shiven, I can see yours also. Very good, Shiven. Long and short.
Blue one is
Shiven, I can see yours. Green one. Good. Yes, Shlok, the blue one is long and the red one is short. I got to know. Very good. Very good, Vedika. I can see orange clay, the long and the short one. Very good, Vedika. Very nice. Anybody left to show me? Prayag is making, I can see. Okay, so everybody has done, right? Everybody has showed me, I think. Himay, you didn't show me. Himay, you show me the long and the short. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, Himay, I'm waiting. Prayag has also made. Long one, I can see Prayag's. Vedika, big and small. Okay. Paki, what about you? I can't see you. Your camera is off actually. Paki. I can't see you, Paki.
long and the short.
Okay, Nivan is also making fast many objects. Paki, your camera is off. Something that happened with your camera because I can't see you. Okay, yes, Paki. Now I can see. I can see the long one. Where is the short one, Paki? You are making? Achha, short. Okay, now I can see short. Long and short. Very good, Paki. The green one. Very good. Okay, now Himay has also showed. Himay, which one is long? Long. Very good. And short? And short? Very good. Chalo. So here we are ending our class. Okay, next class is your maths class. Sorry, dance class. No, listen to me. Next class is your dance class. Everybody has to attend your dance class. Okay? Bye now.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.